Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, in the last class we have discussed some examples on P series test. Okay, now let me discuss few more examples on P series test. If summation n is convergent where n greater than 0 for every n, then prove that summation an divided by 1 plus an is convergent. Solution: since an is greater than 0 for every n, n is greater than 0 for every n, it is given an divided by 1 plus n is less than an, because if you divide an by some number greater than an, then obviously that number is less than an. For example, 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is less than 2. 2 by 3 is 0.6 something, which is less than 2. Same, this is less than an, but it is given that this is convergent. Summation an is convergent. If it is convergent, this series is less than the convergent series. Therefore, note out by using comparison test first a, this series an by 1 plus an is also convergent. Therefore, the summation an divided by 1 plus an is also convergent. Test the convergence of the series summation square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. The given series is summation square root of n plus 1 minus root n. First write nth term. It is already there in the question. Square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. Now divide and multiply by square root of n plus 1 plus root n. Okay, a minus b, a plus b form a square minus b square, that is square root of n plus 1 square minus square root of n square divided by square root of n plus 1 plus square root of n. Here this is n plus 1, root square cancel, n plus 1 minus n divided by square root of n plus 1 by square root of n. N minus n cancel, 1 divided by square root of n plus 1 plus root n. Here order of Tn, this is Tn. Okay, order of this term, highest degree term in n, in the numerator is, there is no n term, so n. Here highest degree term in n is root n plus root n. If we take common, it is root n. Root n nothing but n power 1 by 2. N power p, p value 1 by 2, which is less than 1. Therefore, series is divergent. Next example, test the convergence of summation 1 by n into sine of 1 by n. Okay, here given series is summation 1 by n into sine of 1 by n. Let a n equals 1 by n sine of 1 by n. Here we should choose bn. Suppose, consider bn equals 1 by n square. Take limit an by bn as n tends to infinity. Limit 1 by n sine of 1 by n divided by 1 by n square as n tends to infinity equals limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square remaining 1 by n sine 1 by n. Okay, 1 by n, suppose 1 by n equals theta, theta equals 1 by n. Okay, as n tends to infinity, theta tends to 1 by infinity is 0, theta tends to 0. Then limit an by bn as n tends to infinity equals limit sine theta by theta, theta tends to 0. We know that this value is 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, by limit form of comparison test, summation and summation bn behaves alike. So now consider summation bn is 1 by n square, behaves alike nothing but if summation bn is convergent, then summation an is convergent. If it is divergent, then summation an is divergent, because the limit is non-zero. Limit of an by bn is non-zero as n tends to infinity. Okay, summation bn equals 1 by n square. By ordered test, here p value 2, which is greater than 1. Therefore, summation bn is convergent by p series test. Therefore, summation an is also convergent. Next, test the convergence of the series summation 1 by 3n minus 1. This is given series. Nth term is Tn equals 1 by 3n minus 1. Applying order test, order of Tn equals order of this one. Order of highest degree term in n in the numerator is 1. In the denominator, highest degree term in n is n, 1 by n. Here p value 1, therefore series is divergent. Next, test the convergence of 2 power p by 1 power q, 3 plus 3 power p by 2 power q, plus 4 power p by 3 power q, where p and q are positive integers. Given series is 2 power p by 1 power q plus 3 power p by 2 power q plus 4 power p by 3 power q and so on. Here nth term of the series is nth term, first term 2, 3, 4 and so on. Nth term is 2, 3, 4 and so on. A plus n minus 1 into d, 2 plus n minus 1. This is n plus 1. Denominator 1 power q, 2 power q, 3 power q and so on. We have n power q. Therefore, summation Tn equals summation of n plus 1 power p divided by n power q. Applying order test, order of Tn equals order of n plus 1 power p divided by n power q. That is order of, here highest degree term in n is n power p. Here highest degree term in n power q. If it comes to the denominator, it becomes minus p. 1 by n power q minus p. And the series is convergent if q minus p is greater than 1, and it is divergent if q minus p less than or equals 1. Next example, test the convergence of the series square root of 1 by 4 plus square root of 2 by 6 plus square root of 3 by 8 and so on. Solution, the given series is square root of 1 by 4 plus square root of 2 by 6 plus square root of 3 by 8 and so on. In the denominator, the factors are 4, 6, 8 and so on. So, first term 4, a plus n minus 1 d, 4 plus n minus 1 d is 2, that is 2n plus 2. Take 2 common, we have n plus 1. Okay, u1 equals or Tn. Tn equals square root of nth term of 1, 2, 3 and so on divided by nth term of 4, 6, 8 and so on. Summation Tn equals square root of nth term 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Nth term is n. Nth term of 4, 6, 8 is 2 into n plus 1. By applying order test, order of square root of n by 2 into n plus 1. Highest degree term in n is root n. In the denominator, highest degree term in n is root n. These two get cancelled. We have n power 1 by 2, n power 1 by, if it comes to denominator, n power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, n power 0. Here 0 is less than 1. Therefore, by order test, the series is divergent.